An OFW and Family Summit will be held next week to teach migrant workers on how to invest their hard-earned money. The summit, to be held at Pasay City, is under the auspices of Go Negosyo and Villar Foundation. George Bandola tells us more.
While the country expects a rise of Filipino workers going abroad and an increase of 6% from their $20 billion remittances, Go Negosyo and Villar Foundation wants a more comprehensive and personalized plan for this sector, not to prolong their stay abroad but to teach OFWs to invest their hard-earned money by way of putting up small businesses, since working abroad is not a lifetime job.
How to manage their money properly, and that's why we have Arman Benko here to teach on financial management. Kasi minsan, dahil sa mismanagement, pag-uwi nila, halos same position. So, the next priority is at least providing good education to their children, then a home. These are tangible investments.
For them to learn about small businesses. Hindi naman sila kailangan mag-business agad, just to open their minds para pag may naipon na sila, alam nila kung ano yung alternative na pagdadalhan nila ng ipon. Handa na sila, hindi yung kaya walang nangyayari, ang tagal-tagal sa abroad, tapos pagdating dito, hindi nakakapundar miski ano.
On November 22, the second OFW and Family Summit will be held in Pasay City. It aims to develop more livelihood and money-worth investment for OFWs and their families.
Maaga pa lang, encourage na po natin ang ating mga pamilya na naiwan po dito sa Pilipinas. Kasama na rin ang pag-prepare sa kanilang future na pagbalik para hindi na sila mag-OFW ay magkaroon ng mag-umpisang magnegosyo as a way to succeed at saka magpatuloy ang kanilang pag-angat sa buhay.
For People's Television, George Bandola.